She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady, and I wanna show her that this love will last forever.
This video is for girls who wear glasses and have trouble finding or wearing makeup or keeping makeup on, for that matter. As you can see, I wear glasses. These are not reading glasses. These aren't fashionable glasses, you know, the ones that you get from Walmart. I wear these every day. These are my seeing glasses. When I get up in the morning, I feel for them. That's how blind I am. So if you want to, you know, if you want some tips and tricks on how to wear makeup when you have glasses, just keep on watching. So the first thing when you wear glasses is really the primer that you use. I know it's a really big, it's a struggle because you know, trying to wear makeup throughout the school day, and if you wear glasses, you know, and you want to wear makeup throughout the day and you want to make it last, the first thing you want to have is a really good primer. You know, primer is a Stay Matte primer. Primers, okay, if you don't know what a primer does, it makes sure that your makeup stays on. So what I do is, well, by the way, I use this Rimmel Stay Matte primer. It's in a purple bottle, just in case you want to know. And when I put makeup on, literally the first thing I go for is the bridge of my nose. That's where the most what action is going on. I don't know. So what you do is you put it on the bridge of your nose first. And if you have bigger glasses and they sit on this part of your face, like your cheeks, and then I'll put it on the rest of my face. And with this primer, you know it's dry when you get like a white cast on your face. So you wait until the primer dries, and we're gonna go on to the next step. So what I consider to be my secret weapon is Airspun powder, because for one, it keeps your foundation matte when you put it on top and underneath your foundation, and it also just keeps your whole face it keeps all the greases and oils from rising up throughout the day. So what I do is I take my Airspun powder. I take my Airspun powder with the Moist Beauty Blender. I just squeeze it out in the sink, and I put it on the bridge of my nose. What the powder does is it dries up any excess oils that might have peeked through while your primer was drying. So along with this area, I know I'm looking like crack is whack right now, but we're gonna fix it. Along with this area, I do my whole face, but I bring special attention to this area right here, because that's where your glasses sit, and that's where they sit all day. So when I put my makeup on, I always go for that area first. You don't have to do the rest of your face. I just do the rest of my face because I like to look really matte and beautiful and poreless. Okay, so I'm done with my face. And as you can see, there is probably more powder on the bridge of my nose and on my cheeks and the rest of my face, just because I like to have that extra coverage, like a safety net, basically. Foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. The the kind of foundation that you use kind of plays a part in it, but it's not really as big as the priming and putting the powder on the bridge of your nose. And also when you're putting on foundation, I start on the right side of my face, and then I use what's left on the beauty blender to put on my nose, on the bridge of my nose. I also do it in sections because the powder does kind of dry out this kind of foundation. I don't know why, but it does, and it doesn't give me time to work with. How I'm kind of avoiding the bridge of my nose because I like to use what's left on there. Alright, so I'm done with my foundation, and what you can do is you can take the opposite end that you used and just kind of roll it on your face, I guess you could say, to get rid of more excess product. You see what I'm doing? You can just kind of roll it on there. And also, this gives your foundation time to sit on your skin some more. Most important part is not having your foundation to move. If you're blind as a bat and you just absolutely cannot see, I use a smaller mirror like this. This is a travel size Tarte mirror with the little baby eyeshadow palette. So I use this to do my eyebrows, because if I do it in, let's say, a bathroom mirror or something, I will not be able to see and it'll be hard for me. So I just use a smaller mirror, and then I use a bigger mirror like this for my face. Even though it is bigger, I can still use it to get close to my face when I do my makeup. A big misconception for people who wear glasses is that they just can't wear lashes. Whenever I wear makeup, I wear lashes, and I still wear my glasses. So I just have some regular beauty supply store lashes right here, and what I do is I just stick them on like normal people do. There's literally nothing special that you have to do. So I have my lashes on, and the only thing different I could say that I do because I wear glasses is I push them up. You'll see in a minute. I push my lashes and the fake lashes up against my eyelid so my lashes won't hit my glasses, because we all know that false lashes can be really long and they'll hit our glasses and it's annoying. So I take my finger and put it and I press it up against my eyelid, because now you can kind of see how this lash is out and this one is upward. So when I blink, it's not going to my lenses. I'm just doing it again, pressing my lashes together. And pressing them up against my eyelid. So I use just a regular setting, I mean not like regular, but you can use any kind of setting powder. It doesn't matter. But I just use this L'Oreal True Match. super blendable powder in the color W8. And again, what I'm doing is I'm focusing the powder on the bridge of my nose. Alright, so this was just a simple makeup look for anybody who has trouble with, you know, finding ways to wear makeup when they wear glasses. And this is also for like new glasses, whereas if they're used to wearing makeup and now they're like automatically or magically blind and they still want to wear makeup. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, all my social media will be down in the description box. And that's pretty much it.